I'm going to show you how to allow values to be changed on one of two sheets and then they still remain constant on both sheets. So what I have here is I'm going to do an example. So I'm going to say, let's type in Monday. Oops. Okay, and so that's B3, and so I'm going to make sheet 2, and I'm going to go equals and B3. And so then, you know, this one's Monday and that one's Monday, and so you're thinking that's fine. So let's make this Tuesday or something. So works perfectly, so it's Tuesday. Now, what happens if you want to change this back to Monday on this sheet? So we'll go Monday, press enter, and you know what? You go back to the first sheet and it says Tuesday. That's not good. So let me show you how I worked it out so that you can change either way from one sheet or the other. You can make changes and they'll be reflected in the other. So I'm going to close this one. And so what I have here is I have a fictitious number or an address or something, and on the one sheet, and on the second sheet I have it in another location, but I have it the same. So let's go in the first one and let's change our 777 to let's say 121212, and then we go to sheet 2 and it's 121212. So let's change it back to 87, 87, 87, and we go back and it's 87. So it's changed. You can change it on either sheet. The same thing as I have a drop down here. It says Saskatchewan, so I'm going to change it to Alberta. And so I'll go to sheet 2 and it says Alberta. So I have a drop down here as well, and I'm going to say British Columbia. And I go back to sheet 1 and it says British Columbia. So basically you can change any value on either sheet and it'll be reflected in the next sheet. So let me show you how I did this. So I'm on my developer tab and I'm on Visual Basic. And so I'm in my modules. So what I did is I created 4 little macros, and one's called change address, and it's basically saying worksheet sheets range A4 value equals worksheet 1 range C4, and basically you're just making a little piece of code for each cell that you want to remain equal on both sheets. I did all of these, and so I did the 4 macros for both ways that they have to equal each other. And then I went into each of the worksheets, and so what I did is I'm saying private when the worksheet is activated, make sure that this one runs, so it's checking that the first cell is equal to the second cell, and the second macro is the second cell is equal to the first cell. And so same thing if I do worksheet 2, I have the same thing. When you activate this work, it makes sure that the cells are equal on both of them. So that's how you can change on either worksheet and your values will remain the same no matter which one you change them on. Please subscribe.